Hello, so today we're going to be going over the blend tool. First thing we're going to want to do is select the rectangle tool. That's the tool that looks like this right here. We're going to make two different shapes. We want them to be different sizes, so we're going to make this first one bigger and the second one a little bit smaller. And I'm going to move these into corners just so I can show you how this works. Next thing we're going to want to do is select the blend tool. It looks like this. And then we're going to select one of our shapes, and you'll see that it actually changes the cursor once you select that shape, so you know you selected it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go select our second shape, and now you'll see it's working. It fills in the gaps in between those two shapes, and you'll see in a second, I'll better demonstrate, it actually changes them as they go. So you'll see those two squares in the middle, one slightly bigger and the second one is even bigger than that until it gets to the bigger shape that we created to begin with. So other things we can do are we can change the amount of shapes in between, and you'll see a few different selections here, but we want specified steps. So let's change this. Let's do 10 different shapes, and you'll see there now there's 10 squares in between those two squares, and they each get bigger as they go. We can also change the color, and you'll see that gets red and slightly whiter as it goes down. We can also change the size of the shape and even create another shape altogether. So I'll make a circle here, and you'll see the circle slowly turns into a square as it goes. And we can move this, and you can kind of see how that evolves as it goes. So all in all, this is a really useful tool. I use it all the time. I'm sure you can find plenty of uses for this.